Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add images and videos to the same exact gallery. Now, we are here on my demo website, so what I'm going to do is go into the editor and start to create a page. Now, once I do that, I'll just go down here and hit add section. In this case, we have two options. We can add a gallery section, which you can tell by this little eye that it's an actually gallery section, or we could add a blank section and add a gallery to it. I'm going to start with that second method first and then come back and see what we could do with an actual gallery section. So first thing I'm going to do is hit add blank. Once I do that, I will be in the editor. If you don't recognize the editor, this is the Fluid Engine editor. So I'll hit add block here in the top corner and then hit add gallery. As soon as that happens, I will just drag this across the screen so it fills up the screen. Perfect. And then I will go to edit. Now, this is going to be really easy and straightforward once we get started. So the first thing you'll do is you won't drag it in. You can drag photos in, that's great. But if you want to add videos, you'll just click the plus sign. So once you click that plus sign, it gives you a ton of options and it's a little bit hidden. So let me walk through all of them. Obviously, add video is going to give you the option to add a YouTube video, a Vimeo video from there. Add image, you could upload an image. That will give you the access to upload a file from your computer. So if you want to add a video, you'll just click add video here and it's going to give you a few options. What you can do right away is just drop in the URL and it'll start to pull all the information it needs to from that URL, which is great. And this should work for all YouTube videos and Vimeo videos that are either unlisted or public. But if you want to add a Loom video, for example, you can click this little button here and just paste in the Loom video. So let me grab a Loom video link. I'll grab that one and paste that there, hit set. So at the moment, I tried to upload a Loom video and it didn't work, but you could probably just upload it to YouTube, make it unlisted, and you'll be good to go. So here we go. Let me get out of this and let me actually put a video back in here. Perfect. So it has a video, it has a thumbnail, it's uploading all of that. Wonderful, great, good to go. Perfect. So that is there. And then from there, I can continue to go into here and add more content. Now, the third feature here is search images. Now, this is so important because it takes you into your library. It takes you into free images and premium images. But here with free images, right, you could go to Unsplash and basically search for anything. So you could add images to your gallery this way. Super easy, really user-friendly, and straightforward. Now, this is going to continue to work and you can add a bunch of images. I'm going to add in a few and then I'm going to show you the customizations that we can do. Okay, great. So now we have a few items in here. One more note I want to make about this little plus sign in the bottom corner. When you click on this and you hit search images, it's a really nice feature because you can actually select a few and add them in. You just can't do that with Unsplash. So when you're in here and you're pulling photos, you can't really do that. Also, it's worth saying this gives you the opportunity to pull any photos from your entire site onto this gallery without having to re-upload them. So that could be a really nice feature for you. But that is good to go. Now you could go into the design side. You have these four options here: slideshow, carousel, grid, and stacked. Currently it's set up as grid and I like that, so I'm going to keep it there. Aspect ratio, it doesn't give you an automatic, so you have to decide on a set aspect ratio. But what you do have is this whole like crop image or don't crop image. So let me show you what this looks like. I'm going to do don't crop the image. And already that's a lot cleaner. And then for aspect ratio, what I'm going to do is let's do 2:3. This is vertical. This makes it really tall. I'm going to do 3:2. Perfect. So that looks better. Then you could decide how many go on a line. So I'm going to do 3 for now. And that would be a really nice gallery for 9 to about 15 images. Boom. And just like that, we have created a gallery with photos and videos. So let's take a look at the user experience. You can see here, you can click, oh, I didn't turn on Lightbox. But if you hit play on a video, it'll automatically start to play the video and then go into that. Now let's talk about doing this a whole nother way, and let's see if it's even an option, because I actually don't know off the top of my head. So I'm gonna hit add section, and I'm gonna go to gallery, and then once I click on gallery, I'm gonna click on this, anything that has a little eye. So if I go, oh, all of them do. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this third one here, and then it's gonna give me a few options, optional photos. I'll hit edit gallery, and then in here, I'll just click on one and then hold down shift on my keyboard and select all. This one doesn't look selected. Okay, cool. Delete all 4, confirm, and we're good to go. Now when I want to add, it'll say search images or upload images. Now, this isn't showing us the option to upload videos, which is a bit of a bummer. So it looks like if you create a gallery section like this, you're gonna only have the option to search images or upload images directly. Let me see if I click on this, anything different? Nope. And then if I click on upload, that's just the folder. Cool. So in this case, that's the only option you have. So if you wanna add videos and photos to a gallery, it'll have to be a gallery on the page, not a section that is a gallery. Hope that is clear. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.